Hello and welcome guys to another episode of Riding the Reaper. I just woke up. It's like 10 to 9 in the AM. You can see the bag still under my eyes because we were out till late last night. We went out to Easy Burger. It was their grand opening, and they're on the corner of Moulton and Nelson Street. If you guys want to check them out, their burgers are really awesome. And we were out there till late. They were actually open till 11 last night for their grand opening. They were in collaboration with DG Vape Mania, which is right next door to them. And yeah, they were all open basically. There was a hairdresser right next to DG Vape Mania as well. And they were all three open basically till like 11 last night. We left just before 11. We left at 10. Most people already left by then. There were still orders coming through, or still orders at Easy Burger. Oh, yeah, that Beamer in the background. There's a bunch of Beamers around here. A nice M4 always comes down the road. So yeah, he hasn't got plates on, so it's probably brand new. But yeah guys, I'm actually just gonna jump in the shower real quick. I'm actually leaving this morning. Sorry I didn't film last night, but we were just hanging out. It wasn't really that big of an event. We were just supporting local businesses, obviously, as we normally do. Went out and just showed our support there, brought through a couple of people just to obviously you know, get some business going there because it is their grand opening. So yeah, so this morning's meet is I think it's SM Society. I've never heard of them before. Saw their poster. Starts at 9 and it's literally like 10 to 9, so I'm gonna be a bit late, but I'll pull through. As you can see, the 2J swapped Mazda 323 and Reaper standing there in the background. Reaper's very dirty, but I'm not gonna have time to clean her right now. She's not that bad though, if you take a look. She's not too dirty, but the wind and obviously the weather we've been having, they said it's going to rain today. Today is the Saturday the 14th, and they said it's going to rain today, but not a lot. I think it was estimated like 20 or 30% rain. There are some clouds, as you can see, but not looking too bad. Nice. Yeah, that's two racing. You can hear. Sounds like a VVL. But yeah, guys, let me jump in the shower, get done, and then yeah, take you guys through to the event and check what's going on up there. Okay guys, off to the event. Sorry that the camera's so dark now, I don't understand why. Thought I'd give this wide angle a go on the S10 Plus. This fucking Polo in front of me now, I was driving like a doers. But yeah, off on the way to the event. So yeah. For the noise, but it's a bit humid today. Get some pops and bangs there. But yeah, on the way to the event, it's at N1 City McDonald's. So as you can see, familiar road. On the way there now, and then yeah, I'll see you guys at the event. Okay, so epic fail, dudes. They moved the event to 2 o'clock. So I went through there now and there was literally no one there except Andre. Andre rocked up because I told him at 9 and he didn't see the poster. So yeah, so you can see Reaper's just standing outside waiting now. But we're gonna pull it in, give her a nice wash. At least we're able to wash the the Stang now before we pull through at 2 o'clock. So yeah, 2 o'clock will be the time everyone's there for the event. So I'll just wait up until like 12 or 1, give the car a nice wash, and then yeah, pull through. Hopefully it's gonna be a bit more people. There was literally no one. Anyway, yeah, we're just gonna do the burglar bars on the house now up until it gets closer to the time, so I can wash the Reaper before we go. But yeah, see you in the next scene. Yeah, let's try this again, guys. We're on our way to the event. Andre is at the back of me now, so he's busy following me. It's busy drizzling, it's busy starting to rain, so hopefully it doesn't spoil everyone's mood and everyone comes through. Where do I start? Okay. This is officially 2 weeks later. Yeah, the event that we went to, that we originally went to, the event you saw me driving to and all that, it turned out not to be as big as what we thought it was going to be, and it wasn't really that great, if I want to call it that. So I didn't really film at the event. We just chilled, stood around talking some shit and whatever. So yeah, it wasn't really what we expected. And today is officially, I think it is the 28th. Yeah, 28th. So this is 2 weeks later, 2 weeks after we filmed the original part that you just saw. So today at, I think it is 3 p.m. is the Paul Walker Memorial parkour for run, and I'm also not going to be able to make it. So I wouldn't be able to film that either, because we are going to have a small friend and family bride today, and it's starting at 12. I'm filming right now at about 11, so they're literally on their way. And yeah, so won't be filming any car related events right now. So this is just a short stupid video. You saw basically us going to the event and nothing, so really boring. I'm gonna miss a really cool event today, but there should be the first Sunday's park off at the Velodrome on obviously the first Sunday of December, which is the 6th, and then there's also another event happening on the 20th at Kudud Rugby Club. There's gonna be a limbo and all that. I saw the poster, so I'll post the poster actually right now. You'll see the poster. And then if you guys want to pull through to that, you can pull through to that. Yeah. Oh, if you're wondering about the injury, as you can see, bought some ground just outside the gate. Gaia got off the leash and she ran into the middle of the road, so I had to dive after her and grab her. And yeah, unfortunately sustained injuries. But pain's temporary, and I saved the puppy's life, so I guess, yeah, one of those things. But we'll definitely see you at first Sunday's park off at the Velodrome, and then on the 20th at that one. Big news coming. Me and Ginger Ninja are organizing 2 events, which are going to be really, really cool. First event will be a all Mustang event, so everyone that's watching, if you know of anyone that has a Mustang, please share this video with them. We're going to be making a poster for that, and it's going to be strictly Mustangs. We're still deciding on a date and a venue and a time, so it'll be just Mustangs. I'm going to try and get all the Mustang clubs involved. And then the second one is going to be a midnight run. We will share details with that at another stage as well. We already decided on a course or a route, and we're not going to share those details right now, but we'll share it closer towards the time, and we are still deciding on a date as well. But yeah, that's going to be really awesome to get a nice midnight run in, because we haven't done one of those in quite a while. So yeah, stick around for that. And yeah, like I said, just a vlog, boring video. I'll share some shots of us, you know, just talking a lot of shit and stuff like that, if I do manage to film, or if I'm not degesay by that time. But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video, and we'll get back to you with those events, times and dates, and also obviously with posters and that. Share it all on social media, so it'll be on my Facebook page, Ride in the Reaper SN95, and the Instagram page, Ride in the Reaper. You'll see it, I'll share it down here at the bottom, the links in the description. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you're enjoying the content and you can't wait to see what's going to happen with the Reaper, because we have some plans for her, mods and so on. So yeah, we're just waiting for that. Obviously importing from the States or getting stuff takes a bit of time, especially with this whole COVID situation still happening and people going into second lockdowns and shit, so, and that whole presidential thing happening right now. So, but yeah, we got some parts coming, some changes on the car, doing some wrap and so on and so forth. Just minor changes, cosmetic changes. But yeah, and then we're gonna look at getting some power. But yeah, if you enjoy the content, like I said, drop a like on the video, smash that subscribe button, and like always, we'll see you in the next one. Ride in the Reaper, peace out.